All right, this is my pressure washer system. I'm currently working on it. I'm gonna test it and see if this system will work the way it is. I already know there's gonna be kind of a problem getting the water to the pump for the most part until it gets all the way through the lines. But you know, I'm just gonna try and get it going and see if I can wash the car, see how much I use of this water in a quick wash session, and kind of get an idea from there. But yeah, we're just gonna test this out and see what's going on, see how it works. Looks like it's working. We're gonna just wash the car and see how it goes.
Please excuse my method for washing this car. This car in particular is my 1998 Acura Integra. The paint is not anywhere near perfect on this car. I got clear coat flaking, I got body damage, I got paint chips, I got an infinite amount of blemishes on this car. So yeah, I used one bucket. I used one bucket. I will not do that on a patient's car. But this is my personal project, and I just wanted to clean her up a little bit. So I went with the one bucket, and yeah, I didn't spray the car down again with the foam cannon to get me some high performance lubrication on the surface so I don't scratch it up. But, you know, like I said, the paint's not that good, so I don't care. You know, this is my car. So I'm just like, you know, laying that out there for you guys, you know. I just want to be clear that, you know, this is not my not painting, but cleaning method, wash method for a car. Granted, maybe I should always practice doing it that way on a car regardless. But this car was not needing the perfect exterior cleaning. So, yeah, this is what it is. Because we're just testing out the setup. That's all this is. This is just a test cleaning, test wash, you can call it.
So it looks like this setup works. I don't have any problems. They use a decent portion of the water. Maybe can get 2 cars done with this at most, I would say, at a time before a refill is needed, which is okay, I guess, considering it's just a sedan. But had no leaks or anything. Everything went through smoothly. I just don't like this kinkless cord without a reel. I don't really care for that too much right now, so maybe I'll adapt a reel to sit here or something, or so I can pull it from somewhere and be able to you know, or pull it out through a reel and then pull it out through the trunk or something. But we'll get it figured out. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this stuff up, and yep, that's it.